This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a form with HTML. We'll start by understanding the fundamental role of forms in web development, which is to collect information from your users. Every form begins with the form tag, which acts as a crucial container for all your input fields. We'll then explore some of the most common input types, like text boxes and checkboxes, that allow users to interact directly with your web page. This foundational knowledge is key to building any interactive web application. Now, let's dive into the essential elements that make up a form. The input tag is incredibly powerful, and its type attribute dictates what kind of input it accepts. For instance, type equals text creates a simple text box, while type equals checkbox allows users to select multiple options. Remember to always use the label tag to associate descriptive text with your form controls. This is not only good practice, but also significantly enhances accessibility for all users, making your forms much easier to navigate. Moving beyond basic inputs, let's explore some more advanced options. For longer, multi-line text entries, the Textaria element is perfect. When you need to provide users with a list of choices, the Select element creates a convenient drop-down menu. Furthermore, attributes like placeholder can offer helpful hints, required ensures critical fields are filled, and pattern allows for specific input formats, like a 10-digit phone number. These tools help guide users and ensure data quality. Finally, let's talk about how forms actually send data. The form tag has two crucial attributes, action and method. The action attribute tells the browser where to send the collected data, typically to a server-side script. The method attribute, usually set to GET or POST, determines how that data is transmitted. And of course, every form needs a submit button, which is the user's cue to send their information. Always prioritize clear labels and client-side validation for a smooth user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.